Supergroup focuses on fleet management, supply chain logistics and car dealerships.
Success story of note after a tough patch about 10 years ago. But
this is a success story that Rowan made a lot of money out of.
Indeed, because this one really was on the floor. And if you look at the 5-year chart or even the 10-year chart, this is a phoenix-like recovery. Tremendous.
I mean, you made a lot of money for your clients, rather.
Fair enough, yes.
Market cap, 14.9 billion rand. Price to earnings ratio of 14.2 and no dividend yield. Well, you called it right, so give us the long and short going forward.
So I think it's continuing along its trajectory. It's really, I'd say, in the sort of maybe the third stage of its growth, where it's now more acquisitive again. There have been a number of acquisitions, most recently Sandown Motors, which is a group of about 8 dealerships in the Western Cape. When the announcement came out recently in the last 2 weeks, actually the market, I think, was quite disappointed. Obviously, it increases the South African earnings base. People concerned about the dealerships, the motor sector, but has recovered again the share price. So it's been quite resilient. The Australian business, they made a big acquisition, NLC there. That's still looking good. And
so a healthy looking share price graph.
That's for sure.
You can't argue with that. So I hope you're still holding it.
Yes, we have, certainly, and there was a rights issue, so we were able to participate in that. Again, strong management team. I think they've got a great track record of delivering. They've been quite judicious in the use of gearing, given their history, and so it's well-balanced expansion. The in-time business, that's that sort of Uber just-in-time.
Exactly.
Logistics operation, that's the full earnings have to come through for that acquisition. Doing well. I think the motor sector is actually doing quite well in Europe. So underlying trends still positive for this business.
We didn't make the party on this one.
Well, and as Rowan says, to have a management team in the logistics business which has got a track record of delivering is very encouraging. I don't even think that was an intentional joke, huh?
No. Are we going to consider this one at this point?
The
or is it
SG
just
fleet business in Australia also deserves a big thumbs up. I mean, it's tremendous. I mean, Australia, again, we were talking about Australia earlier with regard to Woolies. People worry about Australia, but you don't need to worry about Australia. Australia is a well-organised place.
Now that we're not worrying about Australia, are we going hot or not on Supergroup?
Well, that share chart is hard to argue with, showing continuous upward momentum moving to the right. That's, I mean, yeah.
On current valuations, Rowan?
Look, it's pretty full, but as I said, there's still the annualization of earnings going to come through, and they've got quite a lot of foreign income now, so that'll be a strong underpin to earnings growth, so we remain hot.
Hot.
Hot on that one too, yeah.